So, the first just practice that we go upside down. So don't let your hips stay down.
Okay.
When you go upside down, your whole body needs to go upside down. So when you step with your inside leg, the outside leg, lead with the toes, not with the knee.
Mm-hmm.
So lead with the toes, yeah? Feel that the hip is going with it, and you just chuck your head back. Now at the same time, obviously need to give it a good base. So I'm pulling my elbows in. It's a pull-up, but upside down. So feel that you go step, pull, and just let the leg flying by, coming back. Ideally, I'm not looking up. Ideally, I'm trying to look down. Yeah? Well, technically up, but it's down. So I'm gonna go pull and lead. Yeah? So I'm gonna go pull up. That's why we've been practicing. Yeah, and feel that fly, because if you give that, we kind of create momentum as well as a pull up. Pull and back. Feel that the bum wanna go up higher. Feel that, yeah? So, step. Your bum needs to go up, yeah? Even more. Yes, that was good.
Yeah.
Now that was good. Did you feel the difference? And also let that go, yeah? So that's why I always say leave the toes. If you leave the knees, kind of make your body go in.
Yeah.
You don't want that because you start running out the back. You actually want to keep it nice and pull up in open, yeah? So try not to go in a ball. Lead and back. It's better.